Today, you'll see exactly how chocolate bars are made inside real factories.
Every day, millions of chocolate bars are unwrapped around the world. But have you ever wondered how chocolate actually comes to life? This simple chocolate bar hides one of the most fascinating and complex manufacturing processes on the planet.
And the journey of chocolate begins far from the factory, here, in vast cocoa farms grown under tropical heat.
These colorful pods are the birthplace of every chocolate bar you have ever tasted. A single cut opens the secret, white cocoa beans that will eventually transform into deep brown chocolate. These cocoa beans are soft, sweet, and nothing like the chocolate you know.
To unlock the flavor of chocolate, the beans must ferment for several days.
Fermentation triggers chemical magic, turning white seeds into the future taste of chocolate. After fermentation, cocoa beans are laid under the sun to dry, an essential step before entering chocolate factories.
Each bean must lose moisture, or chocolate would never form properly. The dried beans are packed into heavy sacks, ready for their long journey.
And from farms, cocoa travels across oceans toward the chocolate factories of the world.
This is where the true transformation into chocolate begins.
The cocoa beans are cleaned and sorted before entering giant roasting machines. Air jets remove dust and tiny stones, preparing the beans for perfect chocolate.
Then comes roasting, the moment chocolate's aroma is born.
As beans roast, they develop the deep, rich flavor we associate with chocolate bars. Once roasted, the beans are rapidly cooled to lock in that perfect chocolate taste. Next, machines crack the beans to reveal cocoa nibs, the pure core of all chocolate. These nibs are the raw building blocks of every chocolate bar. As nibs enter giant grinders, the real transformation begins. The grinding releases cocoa butter, forming a smooth chocolate paste.
This thick liquid is called cocoa liquor, the base of all chocolate bars.
Factories blend cocoa liquor to create a consistent chocolate flavor. Cocoa butter is added for the silky, smooth texture, and chocolate bars are famous for. For milk chocolate bars, sugar and milk powder are added at this stage.
Refining machines press chocolate into extremely fine particles, so smooth it melts instantly.
This is why chocolate bars taste creamy instead of gritty.
The conching machine is where chocolate flavor fully develops.
Conching removes bitterness and gives chocolate its final aroma. Tempering cools chocolate in a controlled way, so chocolate bars snap perfectly. Just a few degrees difference can ruin an entire batch of chocolate. Now the chocolate flows into molds where chocolate bars take shape. Vibration removes air bubbles to make each chocolate bar flawless. Then, chocolate bars head into a long cooling tunnel to harden. Inside this tunnel, molten chocolate becomes solid chocolate bars. After cooling, chocolate bars finally appear in their solid form. Robots handle chocolate bars gently to avoid breaking the smooth surface.
High-speed scanners check every chocolate bar for even the smallest defects.
Wrapping begins with giant rolls of foil and paper. Each chocolate bar is sealed in foil to keep it fresh.
Then, a paper sleeve completes the iconic chocolate bar look.
Chocolate bars move down the packaging line at incredible speeds.
Robotic systems sort chocolate bars for flawless packaging. Box-forming machines create packaging in seconds. Chocolate bars fall perfectly into their boxes.
Then, another machine seals each box with industrial precision. Labels are printed instantly, giving each chocolate bar a unique identity.
Boxes are placed into large cartons for shipping. Robots load heavy cartons onto pallets, ready for worldwide delivery. Huge warehouses store thousands of chocolate bars before shipment. Forklifts move pallet after pallet toward outbound trucks. Finally, trucks carry chocolate bars to stores across the country. The chocolate bars that began on distant farms now sit on shelves in your local store.
Millions of people choose their favorite chocolate bar every day.
And that satisfying snap comes from the precision of the tempering process.
The smooth melt is thanks to carefully balanced cocoa butter. Each chocolate bar is the result of science, engineering, and craftsmanship. After so many steps, a chocolate bar becomes a work of edible art.
Because chocolate melting never gets old. Everything begins with this little bean. And ends with this perfect bar. Around the clock, chocolate factories work to meet global demand. The story of chocolate, beautifully engineered. From bean to bar, the journey is long, precise, and delicious. You've just watched a full behind-the-scenes look at chocolate bar production. Next time you unwrap a chocolate bar, remember the incredible journey inside it.
We'll see you in the next video. Another incredible process revealed. If you want to watch more detailed videos on manufacturing and technology like this, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.